sa GMA Network Center.
Para sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, DBED naganap na. Para sa kabuang ulan, Brian Lim, pasok. Brian,
narito tayo ngayon sa harapan ng Technological University of the Philippines upang kumalap ng iba't ibang impormasyon tungkol sa lumalaganap na DBED. Kakapanayamin natin ang isang ST na nagngangalan si Ruth Bachao. Miss Ruth Bachao, ano yung masasabi niyo tungkol sa technical education at sa vocational education?
Kasi para sa akin pag vocational, more on hands-on. Tsaka more on siya, parang paano ba? Pag vocational kasi, more on hands-on. Gumagamit siya ng mga machines, equipments, gano'n. So pag technical, more on more on instruction, tsaka manual na yung ginagamit.
Pag sinabi natin technical vocational, pag pinagsama natin, ano sa palagay mo ibig sabihin nun?
Sa palagay ko, it's a combination ng paggamit ng equipments plus the instructional or manual na process ng method ng pagtuturo.
As a student, since anong year mo na?
Fourth year,
section D. As a student, ano sa palagay mo? Kailangan pa ba nating aralin yung technical vocational education? O kahit na hindi na importante yun, basta makagraduate na?
Sa palagay ko, kailangan natin pag-aralan kasi importante yun sa atin, lalo sa atin na nasa technological school tayo since we are in TUP, Technological University of the Philippines. So, sa palagay ko, kailangan natin alamin yung pagkakaiba ng technical and vocational education.
Dahil dito tayo sa third floor ng CIE building at maghahanap tayo ng bago nating ma-ambush. Halika, sundan niyo ako. Ate, ano ba alam mo?
Grace,
Ikaw, ate.
Reggie.
Ano yung pagkakaintindi mo sa salitang vocational education?
Yung vocational education, for me, para siyang more on hands-on. Parang, more on skill siya, hands-on. Like, mga hands-on siya lahat.
Sa palagay mo, ate?
Para sa akin naman, yung mga vocational education, yung mga 3-year course lang o 2-year course. Tsaka more on skills, like yung sinabi ni Grace.
Ano naman yung pagkakaintindi nyo sa technical education?
Technical, parang may, may specific field na kinabibilangan. And, yun yung specific field na kinabibilangan and academics, more academics.
Galing. Ito naman sa atin. Ano yung sa'yo?
Parang
ganun din. Para sila ng pananaw. Ngayon naman, salamat sa inyo, ate. Hanap naman tayo na iba pang mabibiktima. Or ano po yung pagkakaintindi nyo as technical education?
Technical education is a type of education wherein the main focus is the skills development. Skills development, that is needed for a person to enter into the world of work.
Well, ma'am.
As simple as that.
Yung vocational education naman po?
In a technical vocational education, this is concerned with the development of skills. When we say skills, of course, pag skill, ang pinag-usapan, of course, it can be mastered by a person through constant practice. So it should be taught repeatedly. Example, what do you want for my example? ComEd. What about the skills in computer? Okay, example is, say for instance, Excel. So, if a student will be taught on how to make an Excel, at first, medyo pangit pa yan. And then the second time, and then it will improve gradually as you go on.
Ano yung vocational education? Ano yung vocational education?
Vocational kasi ano kasi parang diploma lang yung
parang 3-year course tayo, pang madali ang course. Hindi ka tulad sa
Yes.
pag pumasok ka dito, talagang tatapusin mo na degree holder ka. Sa'yo, ano pa ganyan?
Ganun din. Kasi, diba, meron tayong vocational, merong BS. Pagka BS kasi, parang yun yung 4-year na course. Parang yun yung full baga sa high school, 4th year. Kung natapos mo yun, parang sobrang ano ka na fulfillment
Meron
mo
ka
na
na
yun. Oo.
degree naman, yung technical education. Technical education, parang sa vocation and trade. Kasi yung more sa skills. Parang walang masyadong theories. Importante ba na matuto tayo ng technical vocational education?
Pwede.
Kahit hindi na.
Pwede din. Pero mas maganda yung BS, yung degree course kung kukuhain. Kasi mas marami kang matutunan, at maraming years na na. So, you get there.
Para sa 24 oras, Brian Yip.
Dahil hindi natutulog ang mga balita, percha mo po, nagkukulat.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away, it's so unreal. Didn't look out below, watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing.
Alam mo ba ano ang ibig sabihin ng ating pagsisikap sa eskwela? Pwede na lang iwanan ang pag-aaral at sama-sama tayong magsaya. Ngunit ang kabataan daw ay kayamanan, huwag daw basta't itapon at papabayaan. Kaya't magsikap tayo habang may panahon.